Keeping your Bitcoin and altcoins secure is essential, and the best way to do that is with a cold wallet, a device that stores your private keys completely offline, protecting them from hackers. But with so many options out there, which one is right for you? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best cold wallets to help you find the perfect balance of security, convenience, and features. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Number 5, Ledger Nano S Plus. Kicking off our list at number 5 is a budget-friendly yet highly secure cold wallet from one of the most trusted names in crypto security. On the plus side, it offers support for over 5,500 cryptocurrencies, making it a solid option for those with diverse portfolios. The larger screen is a noticeable upgrade from its predecessor, making transactions easier to verify. Security-wise, it uses Ledger's CCE AL5 Plus certified secure chip, ensuring your private keys stay offline and protected from cyber threats. And with a USB-C connection, it's more compatible with modern devices. However, it does come with some trade-offs. Unlike higher-end models, there's no Bluetooth connectivity, so you'll always need a wired connection to manage your assets. Additionally, while the expanded storage allows for installing more apps, it still doesn't match the capacity of Ledger's premium models. Overall, this one is a great choice for those who want an affordable yet secure cold wallet with solid features, just without some of the wireless conveniences of pricier options. Number 4, TANGEM Wallet. Coming in at number 4 is a cold wallet that takes a completely different approach to crypto security, one that ditches traditional hardware for a more compact card-based design. On the plus side, it's incredibly simple to use. Instead of dealing with cables or desktop software, you just tap it to your phone via NFC, making transactions quick and hassle-free. The card itself is waterproof, dustproof, and built to last over 25 years, so durability is a non-issue. Plus, there's no need for a seed phrase backup. Instead, you can order multiple cards and link them together, ensuring access to your assets even if you lose one. But this design also comes with some drawbacks. Unlike traditional cold wallets, there's no screen to manually verify transactions, which could be a security concern for some users. Additionally, it relies on the TANGEM app, meaning if the company ever discontinues support, it could limit long-term usability. Overall, this is a great pick for those who want a minimalist, easy-to-use cold wallet with a unique approach to security. Just keep in mind the trade-offs compared to more traditional hardware options. Number 3, Trezor Safe 5. One of its standout features is the large, full-color touchscreen, making it much easier to navigate and verify transactions compared to traditional button-based wallets. The device runs on open-source firmware, meaning its security can be independently audited, an important factor for those who prioritize transparency. It also supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and integrates seamlessly with various wallet apps for flexible asset management. On the downside, there's no Bluetooth connectivity, meaning all transactions must be done via a wired connection. While this eliminates a potential attack vector, it also makes mobile access less convenient. Additionally, it's priced higher than entry-level cold wallets, which may not appeal to casual users. Overall, this is an excellent choice for those who want a highly secure, easy-to-use cold wallet with a modern touchscreen interface and open-source transparency. Just be prepared to pay a bit more for the premium experience. Number 2, Ledger Nano X. One of its biggest advantages over lower-end models like the Nano S Plus is Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to manage their assets wirelessly from a smartphone. This makes it far more convenient than the USB-only approach of the S Plus, especially for those who prefer mobile access. It also comes with expanded storage, supporting up to 100 different apps simultaneously, which is a major step up from its wired-only counterpart. For users with diverse crypto portfolios, this added space ensures they don't have to constantly uninstall and reinstall apps. And like all Ledger devices, it features CCEAL5 Plus certified secure chip technology, keeping private keys offline and safe from cyber threats. But while Bluetooth adds convenience, wireless connectivity can introduce potential attack vectors, even though private keys never leave the device. This is one area where the Nano S Plus and TANGEM Wallet have an advantage. as they rely strictly on wired or NFC-based connections, which some users see as inherently more secure. Additionally, the larger size and higher price tag make it less appealing for those looking for a simple, compact cold storage solution. While it's not as bulky as some premium wallets, it's still noticeably larger than both the Nano S Plus and TANGEM Wallet, which prioritize portability. Speaking of comparisons, the TANGEM Wallet takes a completely different approach with its card-based NFC system, making it even more compact than the Nano X. However, it lacks a physical screen for transaction verification, something the Nano X does well with its crisp OLED display. And unlike the TANGEM Wallet, which eliminates the need for a seed phrase, the Nano X still follows traditional backup methods, requiring users to store their recovery phrase securely. Overall, this is a great pick for those who want a balance of security and convenience, offering wireless functionality, expanded storage, and top-tier protection. While it's slightly bulkier and pricier than some alternatives, its Bluetooth support and large app capacity make it a strong choice for users who actively manage their crypto on the move. Number 1. Ledger STAX. Taking the top spot is a cold wallet that redefines crypto storage with a revolutionary design, premium features, and top-tier security. What sets it apart from every other wallet on this list is its e-ink touchscreen display, a first for cold wallets. Unlike the small screens on the Nano S Plus, Nano X, and Trezor Safe 5, this curved display makes navigation incredibly smooth and allows you to customize the lock screen with your own NFT or image. It also offers wireless charging, something no other model here includes, making it the most futuristic option. Like the Nano X, it features Bluetooth connectivity, letting you manage your assets wirelessly, but with an even more premium feel. Storage capacity is another major advantage, allowing users to install over 500 apps, dwarfing the limits of previous Ledger devices. And of course, it still maintains Ledger's CCEAL 5+ secure chip, ensuring private keys remain offline and protected. That said, all these innovations come at a price. It's by far the most expensive wallet on this list. Additionally, while Bluetooth and a touchscreen make it incredibly convenient, some users may prefer the simpler, button-based designs of models like the Nano S Plus or the Trezor Safe 5, which have fewer potential vulnerabilities. Overall, this is the ultimate cold wallet for those who want the best of everything: cutting-edge design, wireless convenience, massive storage, and top-tier security. It's not the most budget-friendly option, but if you're serious about crypto storage, this is as good as it gets in 2025. Choosing the right cold wallet is key to keeping your crypto safe, and each of these options offers a unique balance of security, convenience, and features. Whether you prefer a simple, budget-friendly option or a high-end wallet with advanced functionality, there's a perfect fit for every type of user. Which one do you think is the best? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.